Welcome back to the Fenton History Center. I'm Victoria Parker, curator here at the Fenton. We're bringing you some behind-the-scenes videos while we're closed. Today I'm in our storage at the Hall House. So this is something that when you visit you won't see because it's not on display. But I thought it was really cool and I wanted to show it to you. So this is the Universal Folding Bench Wringer. It's made by the American Washing Company. It was not made in Jamestown as far as I can tell, but it is old and it's in our collection. This one was patented on November 19th, 1901, and it's an improvement on a patent that was issued in 1888. You can put a wash tub on each side and move your clothes through the wringer and into the other side. And there's this spout here is adjustable, so you can make the water run either direction. And it has a hand crank and metal gears and rubber rollers to squeeze the water out of your clothes. So this was an invention to try to make wash day a little bit less work. And then when you're done washing and you want this out of your way, instead of having to have this take up part of your house every day, this folds up. The other side. And the little hooks hold it closed, and then you only have to store this until the next time it's wash day. So this is in fairly good shape. You can still read a lot of the writing on it. It does have a couple broken parts, which is a really cool thing in the collection of the Fenton History Center. The Fenton is currently closed, but we hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, keep watching our social media on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And keep checking our website, FentonHistoryCenter.org. And we are posting new things all the time. And we really hope that you'll come visit us in person as soon as you can. Thanks for watching.